Hey y'all, Melissa here, and I'm going to be doing a quick demonstration for you, showing you our soup mugs, and we're going to be making a 3-2-1 cake in the microwave. This is like a perfect little snack for the kids, and if you have our cake taker, the mini cake taker, this will actually fit perfectly on that. So I'm going to show you really quickly how to do that. So you're going to need a box of cake mix, any flavor, and then a box of Angel Food cake mix. So we are going to mix those. I'm using our 12 cup, that's a junior bowl. This is currently one of our host thank you gifts. So if you were to have a party and your party gets to $200, you can earn that. And so we are going to mix our cake flavor. So I'm using strawberry. You can use any flavor cake mix that you want. Probably could have opened this bag a little bit more. It's going to take longer to put the cake mix in the bowl than it is to make the cake. Probably should get scissors. That would probably make my life easier. But we've already committed to this video, and I can't, undo it. So here we go. Okay, so we're gonna take the two cake mixes and we're gonna just mix them together. There's like a cloud of cake mix that I'm breathing in. It smells really good. Okay, and I'm gonna use our whisk, and I'm just gonna whisk it together. And y'all, this is this is called a 3-2-1 cake. It's really super simple. And so we're just gonna mix that together. And then, so it's 3 tablespoons of, love it. 3 tablespoons of cake mix. So 1, 2, 3, and 2 tablespoons of water. Almost poured it into the other cake mix. I actually got a little bit in there, so I'm gonna have to pull that out. Okay, so 3 tablespoons of the cake mix, 2 tablespoons of the water, and we're just gonna stir it up. And I'm just gonna use my tablespoon so I don't. Okay, so there's my cake mix. So now I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 1 minute. So that's why it's a 3-2-1 cake. Okay, so the microwave is done. So I'm gonna pull that out. And then I have my little mini cake taker. So anybody that ordered that through the sale. So here's the cake. It's pretty hot still, so. All right, y'all, so I let the cake cool off for about 5-6 minutes. And then I just went back over it with the knife and kind of like lifted it off the bottom a little bit. So it's nice and fluffy. And then boom, there you go. Here you have our little 3-2-1 cake, and you can throw a little frosting on top or a little whipped cream or Cool Whip, whatever you want. It's a perfect size treat and snack for the kids. Super moist and fluffy. So there you have it, our 3-2-1 cake.